Dear Melissa, how should we think about the product strategy canvas with its vision and challenges in a large company with multiple business units, where our products only indirectly relate to a company's larger vision? For example, in my case, product manager is helping to build internal tools and dashboards to be used by internal auditors. Should we be using the product strategy canvas, or is that not the right tool to think strategically about our long term product goals? Great question. And this is very timely too, since I just released a new course on product strategy over at Product Institute. If you have more questions about this, definitely check out that course. But to get to your question, yes, you can use a product strategy canvas for this. So there's kind of two questions here. With a large company with multiple business units, you want to think if they are standalone companies and if they can operate independently. So if that's true, then I treat each canvas like a separate company. You'll have a vision for each business unit, strategic intents for it, and then a software portfolio that makes up the business unit. And you have product strategies for each of those individual products and the whole portfolio. Now, internal tools are included in this as well. Internal tools help your company operate. So, for instance, if you're at a bank, let's say, and you're working in the credit card division, your strategic intents for the credit card are probably going to be centered around growing your business, getting more clients, all of that stuff. You do this through a few ways. You launch new credit products, but you also ensure the trust of your customers. That promotes retention and growth. They're going to come back and keep working with you. Think about it. Would you ever bank with somebody that you don't trust? Probably not. So that's where auditing comes in, right? Auditing gets pulled back into customer trust. You're going to want to be looking at compliance there, regulations, helping your auditors to actually succeed. So the idea here is that those types of internal tools, even if they are for people inside your business, is contributing to customer value along the way. So when you're thinking about internal tools, you have to figure out what levers you pull to deliver value to the business and customers. So you need to make it easier to do those internal auditing that can save you company money. It can ensure better compliance for the company, and that helps translate into improving trust. So that's how I would think about it. So your challenge here would probably be related to providing those types of value back to the customers, which you don't do alone. You probably do with other types of auditing tools, and you're part of a bigger picture about trust in the company. So I would really dig into how that all relates. And that's how you use the product strategy canvas to ladder all the way back up to business goals. I hope that helps. And again, if you have questions, go to dearmelissa.com. Let me know what they are.